Welcome to the lake, where time holds its breath, and the rush of the world fades into quietude. Here, the waters speak in hushed tones, a whispering symphony that soothes the soul. Behold the gentle embrace of dawn, as the sun casts its first golden rays upon the placid surface of the lake. Each ripple a soft stroke of nature's brush, painting a picture of peace that only the morning can offer. The trees, standing sentinel at the water's edge, are adorned in a vibrant tapestry of autumnal hues, their leaves a mosaic of amber and gold. They watch in silent reverence as the day unfolds, their reflections a perfect silhouette upon the mirror-like expanse. This lake, a crystal-clear haven, is a testament to the enduring calm that nature guards jealously in its heart. It invites you to pause, to breathe, to reflect on the simple beauty that a single moment can hold. And as you gaze upon this tranquil scene, let the world's complexities dissolve away, replaced by an inner stillness that mirrors the serenity of this untouched paradise. In the quiet of the early morning, where the haze kisses the water, there lies a lake shrouded in a veil of mist. This is nature's gentle pause, a soft hush over the world as it awakens. The trees, cloaked in the fog's embrace, stand with a dignified grace, their autumn leaves a muted splash of color against the monochrome morning. They reflect faintly in the still water, a hazy mirage that blurs the line between reality and reflection. This is a moment suspended in time, where the silence is not empty, but full of whispers, the whispers of leaves rustling in a barely there breeze, the distant call of a waking bird, the silent footsteps of deer along the water's edge. Here, the world is at peace, and we're invited to still our minds and just breathe. Breathe in the cool, damp air, breathe out the haste of yesterday. In this ethereal landscape, we find a rare kind of clarity that comes from simply being. Amidst the whispering embrace of early dawn, the world is painted in strokes of muted grays and silvers by a dense, enveloping fog. The stillness of the lake, a cradle of tranquility, is only broken by the graceful arcs of Canada geese and mallards, their wings cutting through the misty air in a silent ballet. As they soar and dip, their calls are muffled, ethereal, blending seamlessly with the soft murmur of the waking world. They navigate the fog with an innate compass, their formations a testament to the unseen bonds that guide them. Meanwhile, the elegant swans gather, their white feathers barely discernible within the cloak of fog that blankets the lake. They move with a regal calmness, undisturbed by the limited visibility, their reflections ghostly echoes on the water's surface. This is a moment of pure, untouched magic, a scene that belongs to the birds and the elements. As observers, we are privileged guests in this hushed, otherworldly landscape. Here, the complexities of life are distilled into simpler shades, and the heart finds a rhythm in the quiet majesty of nature's dance. So let us watch, and let us listen, as the morning lifts the veil of fog, revealing the world anew. And may the peace of this misty dawn stay with us, long after the last echoes of the geese fade into the distance.
Thank you for watching. Please share this video. That really helps me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Till then, see you next time.